Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva with Facebook, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into Canva using Facebook, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.canva.com and press enter. Once the Canva homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will see several options for logging in. Look for the Login with Facebook option. Click on the Login with Facebook button. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your Facebook credentials. Type your Facebook email address in the first field. Then, enter your Facebook password in the second field. If you are already logged into Facebook on your browser, you may skip this step. Click the Login button in the pop-up window. Once logged in, Canva may request permission to access your Facebook account. Review the permissions and click Continue to allow access. After this, you will be redirected back to the Canva homepage. You should now be logged into your Canva account. You can start creating designs right away. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.